Hey everyone, this is a smaller Vornado fan that I got just recently to do video on. It belongs to a friend of mine, and according to the tag below, it's a Model 16C2, and I think the last part of it is a -7, which would denote a 7-inch fan. Anyway, this is a little high velocity fan. And what we're going to do in this video is give you a running demonstration of it. So, without further ado, we'll go ahead and get right into that. And we will start off on low speed. And we'll bring it up to high speed. And we'll turn it off to watch it coast. And so with that, I'd like to thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing this old Vornado get put through its paces. If you did, please be sure to hit that like button below, and while you're at it, hit that subscribe button as well, because we will have more to come. And so with that, we will see you later.